Oh, I can't find my way out. Oh, I don't know how to get out of here. Oh my gosh. It's so thick. The jungle here in the city of Los Animals is so thick. Oh. Hey, what's going on? My name is Misty Hudson. I'm a truck driver from Los Angeles, California. I taught myself how to drive a big rig, and I'm also a mother of 3. I have 2 boys and a girl. They're the best kids in the whole wide world. Growing up, I had a pet poodle. He was an apricot poodle, toy poodle, and his name was Pierre. Let's have a moment of silence for Pierre. Okay, my new pet right now is a fish named Silly, and we'll show you her later. Right now, this is my latest endeavor. I conquered this. I killed this huge beef myself. Look at how massive it is. It's big. It's almost as tall as me. See, cheese. Look at the teeth on that. Wow. So come on. We're going to go down and see some more animals. We got a little cute little pearly tiger right here. And over here, we got the famous monkey. Do your thing, monkey. Go, monkey, go. Woohoo! There we go. And then, when we come back here, you can see the lion, the saber-toothed tiger. He looks scary, doesn't he? Right now, we're going to come on down here. We're going to see my fish, Silly. Silly, she's a nice fish. I'm going to get her for you. This is Silly. Woohoo! Hi, Silly. Get out of the way. See, Silly? This is Silly. One day when I was at the sink, I was cleaning her fish tank out, and right here at the sink, and she jumped out of the fish tank into the skillet. Luckily, she wasn't in this skillet. She'd be gone. So anyway, I want to tell you the things that I'm really afraid of are cats. I have a pet peeve with cats. I'm scared of them. Oh, they're just, I don't know, I guess because they have a mind of their own. It's like, that's how I feel when I see them. But I love doggies and I love everything. Bye for now. Thanks for coming to the city of Los Animals.